Understanding ears stand on end, an English idiom explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase that might have you picturing something quite literal. Ears stand on end. But what does it really mean when someone says this? Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery behind this idiom, making your English learning journey a bit more colorful and fun. When you first hear, ears stand on end, you might imagine a cartoon character with their ears sticking straight up, right? It's a vivid image, but in English, this phrase is not about physical ears at all. It's actually an idiom used to describe a feeling or reaction. Let's break down what idioms are. They are phrases where the words together have a different meaning than the dictionary definitions of the individual words. So, if it's not about literal ears, what is it about? Ears stand on end is a way to express that someone is very frightened or extremely attentive to something. It comes from the natural reaction some animals have when they are scared or alert. Their ears perk up to catch any sounds more clearly. In humans, while our ears don't physically move that way, we use this phrase metaphorically to describe a heightened state of alertness or fear. To get a better grasp of how to use this idiom, let's look at some examples. When I heard the strange noises coming from the basement at midnight, my ears stood on end. Every time she tells ghost stories, my ears stand on end. These examples show the phrase being used to describe a reaction to something spooky or alarming, highlighting the emotional impact rather than a physical change. English is rich with idioms that express fear or attention. Some similar phrases include hair standing on end or goosebumps. Each of these expressions conveys a reaction to fear, surprise, or excitement, showing just how expressive and colorful the English language can be. And there you have it, a closer look at the idiom, ears stand on end. We hope this video has not only clarified the meaning behind this phrase but also shown you the beauty and complexity of English idioms. Idioms like these add flavor and color to our conversations, allowing us to express emotions and reactions in a vivid and imaginative way. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering the art of English idioms in no time.